back to the channel. This is going to be a short one for you today. It's actually going to be about rear drum brakes on the old, Camaros, Firebirds, Trans Ams that might have come with some drum brakes. Personally, I think I'd like to get a rear end that has disc, maybe some posi on it, but again, the build isn't for me, it's for the girlfriend, for the fiance. She wants it blue and pink. There's going to be some pieces. That's why I'm sure you've seen there's some parts and stuff that I'm painting pink and being kind of silly with the detailing, maybe going a little too far into it, but not for me. It's for her, and she deserves it. So the car will be ocean metallic blue on the outside. I need to find some blisters or some louvers to put on here when I'm ready. Maybe I just won't even have that. I'll just get rid of it and throw a regular old Camaro hood on it. But what I wanted to talk to you about was the rear drum brakes. And so far, as you guys know, we've got some new shocks, struts, stabilizer pins. But what I'm going to show you here in the video is what I did today. And basically, I just kind of wanted to do a little bit better in-depth detail about the rear drums compared to the video I just uploaded, where I just had a couple of pictures in there, which might have helped some of you and some of you may not have. So I went a little more in depth. That was the last side that I had to do, but we've got new stabilizer pins. You're going to see that. We've got new shocks in. You're going to see that. And again, I painted the rear springs and painted the rear drums too. I'm kind of worried that I may have to put some gears in here, all the guts inside this rear end. I know it's drums, but remember, it's not for me, it's for her, and she's not going to beat on it. She's not going to drive like I do in the Corvette. So I hope you guys are being kind to one another. I hope you're staying inside and or maybe just finding stuff to do outside in the yard like I am, cutting grass, working on cars. Just take care of yourselves, take care of one another. Be kind to one another. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next upload. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this is how your rear drum brakes should look. And then when you're putting your drum on, if it's too easy, too loose, you have to pull out. You have to pull out on this and turn the star wheel. Oops, wrong way. So that it's opening, your shoes, and then try to fit it again, and that's a little better. I can still move it. It's not too tight where it's like binding, and I can slide it on and off just right. That's how you want to set those. And you can see we got our new stabilizer pins on the back. We've got a new shock, new Monroe shocks, and of course plenty of pink. So let's get the wheel on. And I just wanted to make a quick little short video. I already put out the video the other day about this, and I had some pictures in there but didn't explain or show anything like this in depth, and I figured I should try a little better. So there we go.